Welcome to EDU World Space.
We want to construct a 90% confidence interval for the difference between the mean scores for the two types of instruction. So we're ultimately going to use the formula. The confidence interval is equal to the difference between the two sample means, plus or minus, we'll find the critical t times the square root of the standard deviation squared, or the variance of the first sample over its sample size, plus the variance from the second sample over its sample size. And so using the samples, the online will be 1 and the classroom will be 2. So the mean of the online was 74.214. The mean from the classroom was 73.176. The standard deviation, or variance, we'll say, for online was 79.874, and the variance from the second sample for the classroom was 106.654. The sample size from online was 14. The sample size from the classroom was 17. The degrees of freedom will be 14 plus 17 minus 2, because you take 1 from each sample, and that's 29 degrees of freedom. And we're going to use a 90% confidence level, so alpha is 0.10. The critical t for 0.10 and 29 degrees of freedom is 1.6991. Alright, so we have everything we need. We've got 74.214 minus 73.176 plus or minus 1.6991 times the square root of 79.874, that's already squared, over 14 plus 106.654, again already squared, over 17. And now we want the lower boundary to 1 decimal place ultimately. Don't know how to show you in the TI-84, but I'm just calculating this formula. That would have a lower boundary of negative 4.8 and an upper boundary of 6.9, which would mean, since 0 is in this interval, that there would not be statistically a difference.